It's your girl right here, aka Lilcutenurse. How y'all doing? How your sister, brother, new? How everybody doing? I hope and pray everybody's blessed and having a wonderful day. Y'all know it's another wig review up in here. Y'all, it's finna be summer. You know what I'm saying? These little short girls, honey, baby, this here is from Alipearl. Okay, no, I didn't do anything. This wig is not glued down. I'm gonna use this thick old thing to show y'all. It's just sitting on my head, huh? I know, right? That's the same thing I said. I'm gonna put the specs and everything down in the description. But if y'all want to see the ins and outs and the specs of this here girl right here, y'all, this 12 inches. Can you believe that? This is beautiful. This is beautiful. If y'all want to see what's going on with this wig and how it's looking, keep on watching. It's coming right up. Oh, and if I didn't say, this wig was sent to me by Alipearl. I meant to tell y'all. I didn't want y'all to think that this was one I purchased. They sent me an email and reached out to me and said, hey, we'd like to send you. And I was like, sure, y'all know I love wigs. Quit playing with me. Shoot. So anyway, here we go. Here we go. Guys, before we get into this wig review, I wanted to share some pieces with you guys that I got sent over to me by Anna Louise. That's Anna Luisa. Y'all see it? And they sent me 2 pieces. But before I show them to y'all, I'm going to give y'all some real tea. These are some pieces that I got from Anna Louisa. You can go through my videos and you'll see that I got these in 2020. Okay? Or was it 2020? It was 2020. I was trying to say 21, but I think it was 2020. But you can look through my video. This is one of the chains. Y'all see that? That was almost, what, 3 years ago? This is the other one. I'm showing y'all these to show y'all, baby, these things hold a quality. And y'all seen these with me with these on in several videos. Several. Let me show you another one. This one is my favorite. This is a little hand. Y'all see it? These are the ones that they sent me back then. I just had these on the other day. And let me show you the last one. And I know I had this one on in my Sephora haul. This is how good this jewelry, 3 years, okay? Now I'm gonna be honest with you. This one is one that I never take off. Just like my anklet. Now, I never take it off. Showers, bath, y'all look through my videos, I've always had it on. It turned silver, but this for me having this on since I put it on. I think it was June of 2020, and I just never taken it off. I got an anklet on my ankle. Y'all probably seen in a lot of my trial hauls that I never take off, but it's not plated. It's just gold, so it didn't change. But this, and I still ain't taking it off because it still looks good. I just wanted to give y'all honesty, but this is after 3 years of me wearing this without taking it off. Shower, baths, everything. And one more, this little safety pin. And I know y'all seen this. I get so many compliments when I wear this little safety pin. Look at that. That is beautiful. And it's just as pretty as it was the day I got it 3 years ago. And now these I just put on, and when I wear them and take them off, this is how they maintain their glistenings. I just had to give y'all this because I didn't just want to show you what they sending me today. I want to show you what I got from them 3 years ago and what it looks like today to show y'all the value, okay, in their products. Now, they didn't ask me to do this and they might not like it, but to me, I need to know how something gonna hold up. And do I need to put, no, and I ain't put nothing on them. This is just how they came to me and just how well they've been holding up for the last 3 years, okay? And like I said, this one still ain't gonna take it off. I still wear it every day, every night. Okay, now for the new pieces I have from Anna Louise, this is the first one. And it's a, see, now see, that's bad. Y'all finna see this on my arm every time you see me until I just can't take them off. Once I put blurry things like this on, that's why I stopped wearing my Pandora bracelets, because I never take them off and I end up, they break. But this little thing here, like I said, it's been here for 3 years and it's never broke. So this is what I'm finna put on. And this is cute. This is the, let me let y'all see in case y'all want to know what's on the tag. It's the Luisa bracelet. And you have to measure your wrist to get your accurate size. So, yeah. And I like the little cute package that they come in. Just real cute. Okay, and the other one, I was like, oh, this, I felt so special, y'all. Special. This is how it looks. It's an R. Y'all know y'all finna see this in every video, right? It's a whole necklace. Let me let y'all see the back before I open it. And it's just the initial bracelet. And it just says the letter R, 16 inches. Yeah, I want to put this on. I want to put this on. I didn't put on any of them because y'all know we doing some hair. Oh, that's pretty long. Yes, the quality of their pieces, baby, is good. It's really good. I'm gonna go just put this on, and it has a little thing here where you can make it as tight or as loose as you want it. Let me just put this one on so you guys can see. Oh, that's so cute. Yes, look at that little R. Thank you, Anna Louise. Thank you so much. I was not paid to do this review, y'all. This was just my, in all honest to goodness truth. And I mix and match these all kind of ways. All kind of ways. I haven't had any tangling, and I just keep them on a little necklace bracelet. Did I show y'all that already? No fading. They just, and this one is 3 years old. Probably going on. Yeah, that was 2020 when I moved to Dallas. Yeah, I got these when I first got to Dallas. They pieces are just, they're just so pretty. They're just stunning. Okay, now we can get on into the video. I'll quit talking. Okay, guys. This is how the unit came packaged from Alipearl. I have never, ever tried one of their units. I don't think I ever even heard of the company, but I'm excited to test it out for you guys. This is the unit. It doesn't really, oh, it says cap size medium, 12 inch. We'll check that out. You get some, oh, what was that? Wet Kiss, I think they gave us these lashes. Yeah, you know, they kind of big for me, but my daughter will appreciate them. Of course, you get the wig. Well, I'm gonna call it a wig, but it's the elastic band to melt your wig down. The melt band. You get, of course, an edge comb, 2 HD wig caps, which those are my favorite caps because they stay in place. And you get a nice little silk bag to store your wig in. 100% unprocessed human hair. Okay, let's see what this wig is looking like, y'all. 12 inches. This is right on time for the summer. I ain't got so used to these. Okay, all right. I'm a little spoiled on the pre-cut side. This isn't, the lace isn't pre-cut. It's gonna have to be cut, but the bleaching is on point. Yep, it's pre-bleached. Looks good. Looks good. Looks really good. Got some little curls in there. Oh, this is cute. It's not that natural, you know, texture, but I like it. I like it. It's not that natural texture of hair. It's more that straight, you know, kind of hair. It doesn't mimic our hair, but I think it's really cute. And the inside of the cap, you got 2 combs in the front, and let there be one in the back. Yes, there is. And I like this really sturdy band to tighten your unit down. Y'all, I am not one of those people that can cut this, you know, on my head and it look right. So we ain't gonna be doing all that. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this lace off and then I'll pop right back on. Give me a second, okay? Because I don't want to mess this up. Okay, guys. We got the lace off. That is good. They did a really nice job at bleaching. They did a really nice job at bleaching it. Okay. This is just simple. Let's just pop her on and see what she working with. It's hot in here. I'm sweating. It's the lights. I know it's the lights, y'all. I already got my little wig grip on and my wig cap. I might not need to spray it because when these bands be this good with that little grip, baby, it be making them wigs stay so tight and sink right in. And I done got into these pop on and go wigs, y'all. Okay, let's put it on. Oh, this is nice. Y'all look at the hairline. I ain't even moved it yet. Let me pull it up to match my hairline. Oh, they did an awesome job at bleaching this hair. Girl, I lied. It looks a lot like my hair pressed out. And you know how I said put on and go with the, no. They allow you to cut your own hairline. I wish I had cut it on my head. Y'all see that? I haven't sprayed it down. I'm not going to spray it down or nothing. This is weird. This is weird. Usually when you have to cut the lace and it's not, it's that, girl, look at this. Let me come closer. Y'all see that? I haven't sprayed it. I haven't moussed it. I haven't done anything. All I did was put it on. And them baby hairs look like they coming out my scalp. Let me put a little powder on it to make it look even more realistic. I don't even really need the powder. I'm just doing too much. Girl, I'm gonna finger comb these little curls out. Just like this. Girl, this is pretty. And I hate combing out my curls. I like to let them fall out because they do them so well. This is so pretty. Oh my, and so natural. At 12 inches, this is just my speed. Alipearl, y'all did a nice job. Really nice job. Let me go ahead and give your flowers now. Because baby, this is nice. Y'all, this is like beautiful. This is beautiful. Let me turn around so y'all can see the back. Oh wait, let me put a little powder, just a little bit on my part. I want to make that part stand out. This is my Fenty Beauty powder. It's already standing out. I don't need to do nothing to it. I'm just doing too much right now. But it wouldn't be me if I didn't do it. See, I didn't need to do that. They bleached it so well. This is nice. No spray. No nothing. Girl, bye. 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 Girl, they don't, this is, girl. Okay, let me turn around. Let me back up so I can turn around and let y'all see the back. Because I didn't do nothing but put this on. I put some mousse on it because y'all can see where I put that powder. One of them was a little bit too dark. And I want to make it match in with my foundation. That was my fault. This is pretty. Yeah, I'm not doing this on purpose. You know, I do love wigs, but honey, these companies have stepped their game up. Let me turn around. Girl, I don't need to melt that. That's what I keep looking at. Y'all see that? Look like it's coming right out of my scalp. Let me turn around. nice and full all the way through. Y'all see that? This is nice. I wanna just put this on, but I don't need it. It's melted in perfectly. I don't need to do nothing but go put on my clothes. I got y'all all up in my grill. This is what I've been, girl. Okay, I'm done. I ain't gonna make this video longer than what it gotta be. This is from Alipearl. I'll put the link in the coupon codes that may have sent down in the description. All right, guys. I will talk to you later. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.